Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here. Today's topic is we're going to talk about 3 top oil stocks to buy right now. You guys, we have one dividend stock of 9.7% dividend yield, and we have another stock at 10.8% dividend yield. You guys, very interesting. Let's get into the numbers really quick, but before we do, please guys take the time to like, subscribe, and share this video, and comment down below. I would really like to hear your guys' opinion on this, and also in regards to the video. So go ahead and take the time to do that right now, you guys. I appreciate you guys, and here we go. Total assets for ExxonMobil, we have 362 billion. We have liabilities of 164 billion, shareholders equity of almost 200 billion, cash on hand 3.08 billion, which is not so great. Long-term debt, we have 26 billion and a profit margin of 5.41%. We have total number of employees 74,000, current price ratio 1.705, debt to equity ratio of 0.13, and the current price sitting at 39.21, book value of 45.26, which means the stock is undervalued right now, you guys. Return on investment of 9.9%, which is pretty good. Dividend price of 3.48, which is pretty good, and we have a dividend yield of 8.61%, you guys, which is really good for all you dividend investors and all you guys who like American companies. This is one company that you ought to consider. Okay. The only thing I don't like about this company is that they don't have too much cash on hand, but they do have really a good debt to equity ratio, which one thing that I look into. But once again, the stock is undervalued, and it's one that you ought to take a really close look at. Yes. So moving forward with the next slide here, we have BP. Now, BP is one of the companies that I've seen mostly in California. That's where I used to live. But let's get into the numbers really quick. Here we have total assets of 295 billion. We have total liability of 194 billion, shareholders equity of 100 billion, and cash on hand of 26 billion, you guys. Okay, so that's a big difference from mobile, which is 3 billion. Long-term debt, we have 64 billion, which is a lot of debt. Profit margin of 1.42%. Total numbers of employees 73,000. Debt to equity ratio of 0.64, which is what we look for. Current stock price of 24.72. Book value of 28.08, which means the stock is also undervalued, you guys. Thanks to the oil war, this is our opportunity to jump in and grab some of these stocks. Return on investment is at 7.01%. Dividend price at 2.50 and a dividend yield of 10.11%, you guys, which is unheard of. Really good for all you dividend investors. Here's one that you ought to take a look at. This is an American company, which makes it even better. And the reason I like American companies is because there's just so much value in our companies, you guys. And honestly, overseas we don't know what's really going on. We can only control what we have here, if that. Okay, you guys. So with the next slide, and this, guys, is my favorite stock, and this is one that I've been buying heavily on. So here we go with the numbers. Total assets 404 billion. Wow, 404 billion, lots of assets. We have liabilities of 213 billion, shareholders equity of 190 billion, cash on hand, we got lots of cash on hand, 25.2 billion, a profit margin of 4.50%. Total number of employees 82,000. Current price ratio is 0.74. Debt to equity ratio is 0.43. Just flawless balance sheet. Current price is at $34 and the book value is at $48, which means the stock is underpriced, which makes it so attractive to me. And we have a return on investment of 11.07%, you guys. With a dividend price of 94 quarterly, and a dividend yield of 9.16%, guys. So as you can hear it on my voice, this is one that I'm really bullish on, and I'm gonna continue to buy. I'm ready for the stock market to open to start buying. Shell, you guys, I am not a financial advisor. I'm only sharing with you guys what I'm doing and how I'm adding to my portfolio. And if you guys would like to see my portfolio, go ahead and press comment and comment down below. Just press me, and I'll be sure to make a video for that, so you guys can see what I'm actually holding. Okay, please take the time to subscribe and like and share. You guys, is very important for the channel. I would like to continue to make these videos for you, so you guys don't have to go through all the trouble that I just went through to make this video, guys. It took hours and hours of work, but I don't mind. I actually enjoy doing this kind of stuff. So please take the time to subscribe, like, and share, comment.